How? How? I literally just want to cry right now. Look at this. How? How? Look at my little gingerbread girl. She done broken pieces. Trying to put the Christmas decor in the kitchen. Look at this. I want to scream. What's up, guys? So, I couldn't find my reindeer horses to go in the kitchen. So, I don't know what made me get up and be like, oh, we gonna figure it out. Don't mind the bonnet. It's been a long day. Anywho, thinking I had reindeers like this. This is the reindeer that I just purchased. Thought I had huge reindeer. And here we go. I love these when they were in the store, but they're not matching this pink. It's giving like pinks and blues. I'm still trying to debate on this too. These on the kitchen counter, I feel like it's making this area look dark, and I want it to be bright. I like when my decor changes the mood of the. Oh, speaking of dark, maybe I can put my candles over here. I think last year I had these, my little reindeer, and I had some candles, but I want to incorporate pink. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we may be on to something. Hold on. As I'm talking out loud, thinking about it, I purchased these so they can go on the wall. But I feel like it going on the wall is just plain. It's not giving me the Christmas vibe still. Then I'm also deciding if I want to do like the little bow thing that people been doing with their cabinets to bring more light into the kitchen. I don't know what to do, guys. So my kitchen counter still looks like this because I have not come up with a solution that I'm satisfied with, and I refuse to just put it up just because I purchased it. Baby, we take things back to the store as long as the tag is on and wipe it down, call it a day, okay? Now, because I was looking for those reindeers so much and those golden trees, look at this living room. A fool. So now I decided to take all my decor out, a good amount of it out, from over the years, and sort this stuff because it make no sense why all these things are in different rooms, in different bags. But my Christmas tree looks so cute. Look at this tree. Ah, it's so stinking cute. I love it. Love, 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 love it. And I love my little couch. It looks beautiful. Okay, but we gotta look at that. But we need to figure out this corner situation. I don't know if I want to put this pink tree up. I don't know if I want to put another white tree over here, but I feel like it's still not screaming Christmas. It's not giving me that glam that I'm looking for. The goal is like, oh, what the fuck? The goal is, because you know my bathroom is that color too. The goal is when I walk in, I want it to scream Christmas. And I feel like it's cute. It's screaming cute, but it's not screaming Christmas. And then I'm doing pink. It can stay up for Valentine's Day too, okay? So my clock fell off the wall when I first started decorating. And I replaced the things to hang it up, and then it fell off the wall. What to do? I'm scared to use the hammer or the drill because I don't want to create no cracks. We just patched up cracks in the wall. That's my dilemma right now. I'm going to get ready to sort these items into their own separate bins and then brainstorm some more ideas. Here we are.
Oh, I love this. It's Friendsgiving, gobble, gobble, wobble. Okay, thank you so much.
I'm so sad. My little jar's broken. Look, y'all. I'm gonna use my good old all these bags to organize. As you can see, I love all these, baby. We got several bags.